What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this any-free video wireless Hello Doorbell. Well, this any-free video wireless Hello Doorbell is a feature-packed doorbell and boasts a few advanced technologies. Okay, as usual, we'll talk about all the features and we will check the performance. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, before I talk about all the general stuff and performance thing, allow me to talk the three most important features that makes this any free video wireless Hello Doorbell better than the others. The first important feature is it integrates Wi-Fi-HaLow. Hello Doorbell by anyfree leverages Wi-Fi-HaLow technology to offer superior performance and reliability in home security. Wi-Fi-HaLow extends the doorbell's connectivity range up to 1 kilometer, ensuring stable and robust signals even in areas with thick walls or large properties. This is ludicrous. Truly, who'd put a doorbell 1 kilometer away from home? Anyway, additionally, Wi-Fi-HaLow's lower power consumption significantly boosts the doorbell's battery life, allowing it to operate efficiently for a longer period of time. Talking about battery life, this Hello Doorbell integrates a perovskite solar panel, significantly enhancing its energy efficiency and operational longevity. Unlike traditional silicon-based panels, perovskite solar panels are more efficient in converting light into electricity, particularly in low light conditions. This makes the Hello Doorbell not only eco-friendly but also highly reliable, providing consistent security and convenience. I believe with this perovskite solar panel, we don't even need to recharge it because it will actually get recharged from sunlight every day. Well, Wi-Fi Hello, green solar panel, and here comes millimeter motion detection. The Hello Doorbell by anyfree sets a new standard in home security with its advanced millimeter wave motion detection technology. This doorbell uses a 24 GHz radar system that can accurately detect motion up to 4.5 meters away and within a 120-degree horizontal scanning range. The enhanced sensitivity of this technology means the doorbell can quickly differentiate between human movements and other less relevant motions, significantly reducing false alarms. Yeah, it is that efficient and truly effective. Now we will go through the unboxing and then we'll talk about the design and performance. Moving on to the design, the Hello Video Doorbell features a sleek and minimalist aesthetic with a matte finish, making it a stylish addition to any home exterior. The doorbell has an elegant outlook along with a very small footprint, providing a compact yet noticeable presence. Build quality of this any free video wireless Hello Doorbell is solid. It is built with weather-resistant materials and that ensures durability against rain. Actually, it is IPX5 certified, and this certification guarantees the doorbell's resistance to water jets from any direction, ensuring it remains functional during heavy rain or water exposure. Now, let's talk about the usual performance stuffs. The Hello Video Doorbell boasts a 1080p high-definition camera with 125-degree horizontal FOV, 145-degree dimensional FOV, 70-degree vertical FOV, ensuring it captures a comprehensive view of our doorstep. The video quality is crisp and detailed, allowing us to clearly see visitors during the day. At night, the infrared night vision kicks in, providing clear and sharp images even in complete darkness. The motion detection on the Hello Video Doorbell is highly sensitive and customizable. We can adjust the detection zones and sensitivity levels within the application to minimize false alerts from passing cars or swaying trees. When motion is detected, it sends an instant notification to the connected device. allowing us to view and respond to visitors or potential intruders immediately. One of the standout features of this Hello Video Doorbell is two-way audio. With the built-in microphone and speaker, we can have real-time conversations with anyone at our doorstep via the application. The audio quality is crisp and clear, making it easy to communicate with delivery personnel, guests, or even with any unwanted visitors. Harry, are you at home? So, are we going outside to have a meal or what? Come in. Well, open the door. Hello Video Doorbell also integrates with various smart home systems. This seamless integration adds an extra layer of convenience to our smart home ecosystem. Let me tell you something from my personal experience. Yeah, I have used a few other video wireless doorbells, and after I have compared this anyfree video wireless Hello Doorbell with those other video wireless doorbells, I'm truly surprised by the performance of this anyfree video wireless Hello Doorbell, because this one actually costs less yet provides better performance, and the application that this brand anyfree has developed is truly a very user-friendly one, and its user interface is very intuitive. Let us check the application together. Well, at the home page of the application, we can check recent movement, we can check battery status, and whether the device is connected to the cloud or not. There is a settings button. Inside the settings button, there are a few options like screen and sound. Inside this tab, we can select the indoor ringtone and the volume of the ringtone, outdoor ringtone, and the volume of the outdoor ringtone. We can put night vision into auto mode. In this mode, the camera automatically switches to infrared night vision mode when it's dark in front of the door. We can also select always on if we feel like the front door is always dark, or we can select always off if we have a very good light at the front door. You know what? I really like that there is this customized ringtone thing. We can actually record our own voice and set it as ringtone. That's really a nice touch. The third thing inside the application is AR effect, augmented reality effect. So yeah, we can actually select different type of effects like wave hand, spring festival, Santa hat, and many others. I'm not gonna go through all those AR effects. Underneath the AR effect, there is this invite member option. We can actually add our family members so that the family members also have access to this Hello Video Doorbell. Well, the next is notification. I always keep it enabled, and I have selected the notification period as forever, 24 hours. Next is distraction alarm. Yeah, we can select XYZ sensitivity, and then we can also enable human movement detection. Then we can select detection range, detection setting. Inside the detection settings, there are three options. When someone shows up, if someone stays in front of the door like stand still, or well, we can also let the video doorbell to record without any notification. Now, here comes the most important thing, the microwave scanning. Underneath the detection settings, we have microwave scanning, cloud plan, voicemail recording settings, battery percentage, and then some information about Wi-Fi-HaLow. And then we can also change Wi-Fi. We can check the storage status. We can check device information, firmware information, and can update the firmware of the doorbell through this application. On the report page, we can check the data report. The report shows the device's real-time power, such as recharge state, power consumption, and remaining power. Additionally, we can also check the transmission rate and 7 days of monitoring data. There is a page about the cloud plan. We can go inside that and check the cloud plan and decide which one we want to get subscribed to. Moreover, there is another page or tab for the family. Overall, I think this Hello Video Doorbell can be a robust and versatile addition to any home security setup. With its impressive video quality, responsive features, and user friendly application, it's a great investment to keep a home safe and secure. Yeah, I have left a link of this any free video wireless Hello Doorbell in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Fly so much higher.